Are you looking to build a successful KDP business? Welcome to another Fact Fluence YouTube video. If this is your first time here, know that I've successfully built and sold a 7-figure KDP business, and I'm currently working on my second KDP account. I'm here to provide no-nonsense publishing advice, so consider subscribing for more insightful content. Don't miss out on the free training on how I built a 7-figure publishing business. The link is in the description below. Today we delve straight into the best KDP niches that guarantee success. These niches have stood the test of time and continue to be reliable. However, remember that success in these niches hinges on delivering high-quality content. Always prioritize crafting top-tier books. High-content books are the first on our list. The 3 evergreen niches are health, wealth, and relationships. Within the health niche, topics such as weight loss, muscle building, specific diets like keto, vegan, paleo, intermittent fasting, biohacking, and longevity are popular. Venturing into the wealth niche, stocks, investing, real estate, passive income ideas, social media marketing, cryptocurrency, and AI are all fruitful areas. The wealth niche presents additional opportunities to sell products and services on the back end, making it even more lucrative. In the relationship niche, sub-niches like parenting guides, dealing with toxic relationships, and topics such as narcissism and gaslighting are worth considering. Why do these niches never fail? They have extremely high demand. Everyone wants to be healthier, wealthier, and have better relationships. These are evergreen topics that will never go out of style. People grappling with these issues are willing to invest in books and educational resources to improve their lives. Lastly, people consistently buy books on these topics, creating ongoing repeat purchase potential. Next up are low and medium content books. 3 favorite niches are log books, activity books, and coloring books. Creatively incorporate health, wealth, and relationship themes within these niches. For instance, a health-themed log book, a wealth-themed coloring book, or a relationship-based activity book can be considered. These niches offer great opportunities for profitability, and tools like Canva, Creative Fabrica, and BookBolt can be used to create unique and original content. Whether you choose high, medium, or low content, targeting the health, wealth, and relationship niches ensures you tap into evergreen markets that have consistently proven successful. If you're not an expert in high-content niches, consider hiring ghostwriters from platforms like Fiverr, or use services like the Urban Writers. For low and medium content, Canva, Creative Fabrica, and BookBolt offer templates and design elements. Alternatively, Fiverr offers gigs where professionals can create the entire book for you. In summary, the secret to success lies in targeting evergreen niches and consistently delivering high-quality content. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out the description for links to all the resources mentioned in this video, including the free training on building a 7-figure publishing business. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next Fact Fluence video.